Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar-yen pair dropped 0.7% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair dove 2.6% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal. After a 1.9% dip during the last session, the gold-dollar pair closed with a 1.3% drop. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an oversold market. The oil-dollar pair skyrocketed 2.3% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Major US stock indexes closed lower after Microsoft and Meta Platforms highlighted growing artificial intelligence costs that could hit their earnings, curbing enthusiasm for megacaps that could have fueled the market rally this year. Cryptocurrency exchange Crypto.com has announced the acquisition of Watchdog Capital, a broker-dealer registered with the United States Securities and Exchange Commission. The move will allow the exchange's subsidiary in the country to offer stocks and equity options to eligible traders. The dollar fell against the yen after the Bank of Japan's less dovish remarks and US data suggested upward price pressures continue to ease, keeping the Federal Reserve on track to cut interest rates by 25 basis points next week.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US non-farm payrolls will be released at 12:30 GMT. The Dutch retail sales at 5:30 GMT. The US average hourly earnings at 12:30 GMT. The Dutch market manufacturing PMI will be released at 6 GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY NC net positions at 19:30 GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions at 19:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.